In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up and use Octolin, the LinkedIn-only scraper, step by step, from downloading the app to scraping both profile listings and full profile details. Let's get started. Go to octolin.com. Click Download and save the zip file to a folder you can easily find, such as Downloads or Desktop. Right-click the zip file and choose Extract All. Inside the extracted folder, you'll see the Octolin app and its supporting files. If Windows shows Windows protected your PC or unknown publisher pop-ups, click More Info. Click Run Anyway. If Windows Security or Defender flags it, click Allow on the device or Run Anyway. Confirm in the UAC, User Account Control, dialog if prompted. Octolin is 100% safe and virus-free. The first time when run, Octolin will launch in demo mode, which is limited functionality. Click Billing and Plans, and you'll find Manage License. Paste your license key from your email. Click Activate. After license activation, you need to create login sessions. Octolin uses real Chrome profiles, so LinkedIn treats it like a normal browser. Click Settings and Anti-Blocking Settings. Enter your LinkedIn email and password. Hit Save All Settings. Now, click Login Desktop and Login Mobile one by one to save your login session and cookies locally on your device. This is a required step, as during scraping, you may be logged out of LinkedIn. This ensures a re-login for uninterrupted scraping. Inside Settings, you may find Listing Scraper Settings under Profile tab. Let's scrape profile listings. Click Listing Scraper on top and click Profile. Enter your search keyword and hit Start button. Wait for a few seconds for the browser to launch. You may pause or stop during scraping and data scrape. So far will be saved into Excel file located in Octolin folder. After we've scraped listings, we can scrape their detail pages. Octolin is the only scraper that lets you scrape without logging into LinkedIn. Click Detail Scraper and hit Upload. Select listing file that we just scraped. This will upload all URLs. Now you have two options here. You can either scrape with your LinkedIn ID or scrape without logging in. Let's first scrape without login. This option has limited access to the data. If you select the option Scrape with Login, it will give you complete access to the profile detail pages. Scraper will go through each link and collect data. You may pause or stop anytime. Once done, it will export data into Excel file. Now let's scrape data with login. Once the profile page loads completely, it will scroll and also click Open Contact Info to collect leads if available. Once completed scraping, it will show you Excel or CSV file name under log. You may find a file inside Profile Output folder. That's it. You've successfully installed Octolin, activated your license, set up Chrome profiles for both desktop and mobile, and scraped LinkedIn profiles, both listings and detail profiles. Download Octolin for free and give it a try.